Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Missed Automation channel. Today we will start a new series on Cucumber with TestNG framework. So let's get started. We're gonna straightly jump into the setup part, and you all know about TestNG and Cucumber. In case if you wanted to know a detail about Cucumber and TestNG, so I have created a separate sessions on these two frameworks. I will provide those link in the description. You can find from there, and we're gonna start how we can configure this project. So in this session, we will see the configuration part, which is the most important. So let's get started. So this is the Eclipse IDE. First of all, we need to create one Maven project. For that, I will go to Files, I will go to New, then under New, I will go to Maven project. So I wanted to create a simple project and I wanted to skip the archetype selection and click on Next. And this is the Cucumber, Cucumber underscore test ng. So this is the project name I wanted to provide. Copy and provide in the artifact as well. And click Finish. And you will need to wait for at least 2 minutes so that it will create one folder here. You can see a testng cucumber folder is created. I will expand it and you can see the pom.xml. So in the pom.xml, so in the Maven project, this is the main file where we're gonna provide all our packages dependencies over here, and the configuration for our project we will set from here. And apart from this, those are we have a few other folders like source test Java, source test resources, where we will create a test files here, and we will store the resources like feature files in this location, and step definition runner classes are it in this folder. So this is a folders of target, and we will see all this in the going session by session. And in this pom.xml, you have to give few dependencies. For that, you need to create one dependency tag. So this is called dependencies, right? So under this dependencies, we have to provide a few dependencies, which are nothing but one is a Cucumber. So let me go to the MVN repository. So this is the MVN repository. You have to go in this location and you can find the Cucumber TestNG. Cucumber TestNG you have to search. Then you will see Cucumber JVM TestNG. You have to select it and you can select the latest version. I need to copy this Maven dependency. So don't worry, I will provide this link in the description, and go back to Eclipse, and here you can provide that dependency. And next dependency we're gonna required is the Cucumber dependency. For that we will go back to here and search for Cucumber, and you can see the Cucumber Java dependency. So we will select this latest version, copy it, and go to pom.xml, and these are the two main things that is required to start our initial session. Right. As soon as I save, all the dependencies will be added in this folder. You can see Cucumber Core, Gherkin, Java plugin, TestNG plugin. All these plugins are being uh, created in this Maven dependencies folder. Right. So next thing you have to do is you have to go to this help section and go to the Eclipse market space. Okay, now it is opening. In the Eclipse market space, you can search with feature and click enter, and then you have to scroll to this section called Cucumber Eclipse plugin. So this plugin you have to install. I already installed, so it is showing as installed. So this is a plugin you have to install, and also you have to do one more is a TestNG. So TestNG is also plugin you have to install. So two things you have to do in the Eclipse market space. One is a feature file dependency and Cucumber dependency from this Eclipse market space. And after that, you have to go to this source test Java and right click and go to new, then create a file. You have to create a file, not a class. So here I will say a demo demo test dot feature. So as soon as you click finish, it will create you, I mean, it will get you the initial setup of the feature file. It will provide you some dummy features and scenarios. Then you can modify later on, but let me finish it. So this is the uh, a sample which is provided from this extension. You can remove all this commented out code, and you don't need these many things. I will remove it, and we just need only simple this one, right? And I will click save. Then now you have to go to the source test Java. Here you have to do the two things. One is creating a package for runner class. So let me create a runner class or runner package. This is a package, so runner package. And then one more package you need to create is a step definition. Step uh, step def I will create with this naming convention and click finish. In the runner class or runner package, you again need to create one more class called runner class. Let me say this as runner and click finish. Right. And we here there is no step definition file created. So for that I will go and create one step definition class called test underscore demo, right? So this is a name I will create and click finish. In the runner class, first thing you have to do is you have to extend this extends. So there is a one interface called TestNG. So this is called TestNG Cucumber test, right? So in this what you will find, so if you press the control key in the Windows system and you open or click this, it will go inside that implementation. So in this implementation you will find the before class. So and then you have a test, then you have a data provider, then you have a after class. So we will see the importance of this going further. For now we will create a setup first, right? So in the runner class, right, this is thing that you have to do in the extents using a abstract testng cucumber test. Then you have to give an annotation called cucumber options, right? So this is the thing that you have to provide, and open bracket, and you have to write inside that brackets. Okay, the first thing you have to do is the feature file location. So for that, feature equals, so this is the location where your feature files are located at. So for that you need to provide the feature files location. So this is my feature files location, which is there in the source test resources. So you can create one thing, you can create one folder inside it. Let me create a folder called features, and inside that features I will store this demo feature, I mean test demo test features. So this is a location you can provide. I will go to the properties and you can copy this the features. So I'm taking the absolute path, and later we will see uh, correcting that absolute path, and I will provide this location and then followed by comma separated, and in the next line I will provide glue, and glue is nothing but it's a step definitions location. So right now I am provide step def location, right? And there is an error which is popping. Okay, let me provide with the capitals. Maybe it's not finding. Let me give the feature string. Okay, so this is something which you have to do. So one is extending the class with an abstract TestNG Cucumber test, then Cucumber options. Under that you have to provide features and a glue, and this is the basic setup which is required. Now you have to go to this demo test feature, and you might be asking that where is the implementation code for it, because there is nothing in the step definition file which is here. Now you have to go to this demo test, then you have to go and right click and run as Cucumber feature. Now this will get you the implementation of the step definitions. So for that I will extend this. So now you can see whatever lines I have in the feature file, all those are created here. So I will just simply copy and go to this demo test, and I will paste it here. And I will do one thing, which is for removing this throws declaration and also importing this packages. I have removed all the comment out, the throws code, and also the imported the packages for it. Now I wanted to do a simple test which I wanted to check whether my configuration is successful or not. So for that again I will go to this demo test feature, and I will erase logs, and I will right click over there and run as test feature, the Cucumber feature. So now you can see there is one scenario which is passed and the 7 steps which are passed, because these lines are there which is there in the gherkin. It is having a matching step definition code which is nothing but this line or this annotation called given, and under that there is no code. Because of that everything is passed, but the main idea is to provide the configuration. So my step definition has a adjacent Cucumber line, and I'm executing from there, and you can run it via runner also. So now you can see in this runner, click on runner, right click, and you can see run as, you can run as TestNG test. It will also execute, and you could see there is a difference between the two executions. Now I have run this runner.java in the TestNG format. Because of that you are seeing the entire structure, the report structure or execution summary in the form of TestNG. It has default test, which is our test run was 1, and there is no failures and no skips. And default test suite, the number of test 1 pass, 1 run executed, and 1 run pass, and no failures, no skips. And when you run it from the feature file level, run as feature file, now you will see a different report here. So there is a two things, and we will see further how we can build a simple login functionality later. And before that, there is a one more thing, which is the abstract TestNG Cucumber test. So we will see both things in the upcoming sessions, and this is simpler and easy to build the framework in the Java code. Hope you like this session, and if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.